Okay. First thing I'm going to do this morning is I'm going through question 6A on page 156. So it's given us a graph, and it's asked us to find the general equation of a line perpendicular to the line given to us in the graph. Okay, so I'll draw out the graph, the line that's given to us. And like this. Okay, so this coordinate here is 0, -3. That coordinate there is 6 and 0. And it wants the equation of the line that goes through that coordinate, which is 3 and 1. So what I'm looking for is the equation of this line here. So anytime I've done these questions, the first thing that I want to do is I want the equation of the green line. So I'm going to write y equals mx plus b. Okay, so in order to do this, I need to find the slope and the y-intercept. Now I'm given a coordinate x and y, so I could start or I'm going to end up using that 3 and 1. But where do I get my slope from? Well, I get my slope from this guy right here. So I count on this line here, the slope. So to go down 3 and left 6, okay, so down 3 and left 6 gives me a slope of 1/2. Now I want the equation of this line here, this green one, which is perpendicular to it. So because it's perpendicular to it, I need to reciprocate and make negative that slope right there. Once I have done that, y equals -2x plus b, now I use my 3 and 1 to get my b value. So I go 1 equals -2 times 3, add b. That's -6, add b equals 1. B is equal to 7. So if I drew it on the graph and I had the proper grid paper, I would see that this line goes through, right here, goes through 0 and 7. So the equation of the line that is perpendicular to it is y equals -2x add 7. And to put it into general form, I go 0 equals -2x minus y add 7. Okay, so that's how I would do question 6A, 6B, and 6C, is using, the first thing I do is I write out the new equation, and then from there I'm going to plug in my x and y to get my b. After I get the slope of my original line, and then I reciprocate it, make it the negative reciprocal. All right. All right. Morning, Avery.
Morning.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
All right. Sound tired?
Yeah.
How did you make out yesterday, Avery?
I did good. I did the till 17 on page 35.
Okay, good. And no issues?
Nope.
All right. Perfect.
I didn't do the assignment yet, but I'll do it I'll finish it today.
Okay, you're gonna get on the assignment today?
Yeah.
Did you have, are you having any issues with the assignment?
No, I didn't really work on it yesterday. I just did the 17. The 17.
Okay. All right, sorry, got lots going on here. Okay, so what I want to do, Avery, is if you've got through that 1 and 2, then you can look at page 53, which is still a little bit more of 1 and 2. And then we'll go through chapters 1 to 3. Okay? And then what I'm going to do is I'll put together an assignment for 1 and 2, and I'll get that out to you tomorrow.
Okay.
All right?
Okay.
But you have that other assignment. I want you to get through that today and get that done and handed in.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
So you have any concerns or anything today?
Nope, don't think so.
Okay. I've got another meeting right now, so I'm going to let you go, and you can work on that assignment when we get off. And if you have any issues, then just send me a message and we can talk it over then.
Okay.
Okay? All right. Have a good day. We'll talk to you later. Okay, no problem. Bye.
Right. And again, as teachers, you can phone those